Another milestone achieved. Our client's factory audit concluded successfully, and we're thrilled to announce the shipment of 100 remote-controlled crawler mowers and 100 compact mini excavators. Every unit undergoes strict pre-shipment inspection to ensure top performance and durability. We're proud to partner with global clients, delivering reliable construction and landscaping solutions that drive efficiency. Thank you for your trust. Let's keep building together.